What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see it's a pretty day, man. Beautiful day outside, man. On God's green creation. You already know, man. Every day is a good day. But we finna hit the paint shop, man. We finna hit the paint shop cause J Hall said he got an update for us, man. And it ain't even been 2 weeks. This is crazy. It ain't been 2 weeks. Let me think. I don't think it's been 2 weeks. I'm gonna reference the date before the video, but I don't think it's been 2 weeks, man. This man going crazy. Told y'all, man, y'all gotta hit J Hall Automotive up, man. I gotta hit him up. The number is on the screen right now. Y'all need to hit him up. Y'all see how it getting down, but we finna head over here. I'm waiting on the FedEx person to come, cause I got the last 2 pieces coming for the brown coat S10, so waiting on FedEx to get here. When they get here, then we're gonna head on over there. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all. We checking in. Let me see, it's a little dark. Y'all can't see nothing. Let me bring y'all up. FedEx truck came a little bit after I just did the intro. So they're right on time. So open the box. So y'all did the last piece, man. Everything on brown coat. Pretty much new. It is really. When I think about it, everything new except the grill. And I just didn't buy the grill because it looked good. It was already good. Now, out of everything that done came, this stuff here took the longest. Let me see. This stuff here took the longest, man. Alright, so show y'all what we got. See, can I get these things open? The box open. Alright. What is these? These are turn sealing lights, I think. Let me see. The amber lenses. Yep. You know them amber lenses, they just make your front end stand out more to me, man, in my opinion. They cost more, but they make your front end stand out. I was looking for the amber lenses for wifey car, but I couldn't find them at the time. So she got clear. But if I end up finding the amber for her car, just know we'll have some clear turn sealing lenses for sale. Cause I want her to have the same thing. They just look better. So we got the turn sealing lens. And mine, don't get me wrong, mine ain't cracked or in bad condition or nothing. It just J Hall was like, hey, we need everything new. I said, hey, no problem. Let's do it. Let's do it, man. Hey, when I'm doing something, I don't mind spending money. I really don't. I don't have no problem. I'm like, I ain't finna gripe and groan. There go the door handle. I know what I forgot. I'm gonna stop on my way down there. I'm thinking I ordered. See that? Hold on. I know I did. I think I did, man. I'm gonna go back and see. Cause these are door handles. Outside door handle. That's the other one. I'm guessing. I know I ordered some locks. from here, man. Let me see. That's a door handle. I know I ordered some locks too. I know I ain't tripping. Let me see. That's it. It's all in the box. Man. I'm missing some locks. So we still missing something. Man, come on with me. So I'm gonna have to check, man. I know I ordered locks though, cause I was like, I could have got them from AutoZone, but I was like, man, I'm on the site, so let me go ahead and get everything. from the site, man, just so it all come together. That was my thoughts. So I don't know. I'm finna look into that right quick. So y'all, all right, y'all. So I just made it, man. I was just looking at my order. I see my order confirmation was for the door locks and stuff too. Then I went back to my my online banking to see if they took it out. Man, they ain't even charged me for them. So I don't know. We gonna see what it do with that. But y'all see where I'm at. We'll go ahead and get that number, man. Again, J Hall Automotive. Y'all see it, man. Y'all make sure to hit them up. So we finna go ahead and see. We finna go ahead and see what's going on with old brown coat. Drop these parts off. Now I should have just stopped at the parts store, man. Just went ahead and got it locked in. But I might tell Jarvis to go ahead and get them. Then I just shoot him the money, something like that, make it easy. I'm gonna get in here, then we're gonna check back in with y'all. All right, y'all, we checking in. So this where we at right now with brown coat. Like I said, we ain't got no ripped open door no more and all of that. We got the fender on, so y'all see it's all smooth, all tight and everything, man. J Hall is over here working. He over here working, man. It look funny seeing the truck with no ripped door, none of that. Even though, like I said, he getting ready to prime, but it crazy. It ain't been, I'm telling y'all, I don't think it been 2 weeks. I don't think it been 2 weeks. I told y'all I got to check, but I don't even think it been 2 weeks. And this where we at already. But he said the door and the fender, they took a little more work. So I mean, I bought the door and the fender under the impression that they were pretty much straight, man. They were pretty much straight. Cause I could have got them from somewhere else, from somebody else. But like I said, I took his word for it. And I don't know if he watching, man. Hey, you ought to shoot $50 back or something like that. Cause I honestly bought him. I went on the word. I met him at the track. He said it was a subscriber. So I was thinking, he said they were perfect. Was the exact word. Everything was in perfect shape. But so I went and bought them. Y'all know I sent KJ down there. I ain't even go. But I could have got the parts from closer by, which would have been more convenient for me. And I knew they were perfect. So I just hate that call. It costs more time on my bro Jarvis and everything. But he got it straight. He got them straight. But like I said, I bought them under the impression that everything was perfect and all of that. But it took more time to do this right here, cause he had to straighten the fender out. It was a dent right here, and it was a huge dent. He said it was a huge dent in the door right here. So you had to take time to straighten it out. Then the bed needs some work too, and that's what I was trying to buy the parts to avoid from having to do all that. To save time on the job, on the paint job. But I mean, it's all good. It is what it is, man. Like I said, next time I ain't buying in the blind. I be trying to take people's word for it, but I ain't doing that next time, y'all. Call. I could have saved some time. I mean, he did give me the price I was gonna get the other parts for, but I could have got the other parts perfect, in perfect condition, and not be having to do this. So, or I could have just kept the parts that were supposedly new and had a little bit work done to them. But there where we at. He gonna get on the bed next. It's gonna be painted separately. But the cab of the truck ready to go. This the hood. Like I said, the cab of the truck ready to go, man. Then, get on that bed, paint the bed separately. Throw it back on. We ready to roll. I got all the stuff. In. Gotta get the door locked. So, like I said, I probably get Jarvis. Hey, Jarvis, I probably let you get the door locked, man. I'm supposed to have ordered them. They ain't send them, though.
Okay, yeah, I can pick those.
Yeah, so we'll get Jarvis to get them. We hit the parts store. That'll be the last thing he got to pop in. So we got everything else, but he got it smooth, man. It's smooth. It's tight. Like he was telling me, it took more time on that fender and door than expected. Then he was just showing me some spots on the bed too, but it ain't nothing he can't handle. But I mean, it just the point. Be honest when you selling stuff, man. That's all I say. People might still buy it. Just keep it real. Be like, hey, this what it is right here. We can negotiate on the price and all that. Cause man, he should not have to do all that work. when I could have got them perfect. They're just real. I ain't upset. I'm just saying be honest with what you doing, man. If I buy anything from any one of y'all watching, just be honest, keep it real with me. If you have a little ding or something like that, just let me know. I probably still shop with you. But then I know what to tell my people going ahead. Cause like when we dropped it out, we were looking at it quick, and it was, you know, it was getting dark too. It was in the evening, so it was just a quick glance. It wasn't an in-depth look, but at that point, it was too late anyway, and it was already up here. Money been paid for KJ to go down there and do all that, so you know it is what it is. But he got it. He got it tight, man. I mean, yeah, like I said, y'all, it look crazy not seeing it folded back no more. All of that. So you said we're getting ready to go in primer, ain't we? Yeah. Getting ready to go in primer. Taping it up. Prime it the next 30 minutes or so. He said next 30 minutes. Not tomorrow, next 30 minutes. So get ready to go in primer. All right, y'all. So look, did where the dents and stuff was in the door he had to get out. Right up here and right here. It was dent. Now we saw them, didn't we? Yeah. We saw them, but like I said, with eating it was a big one. Down here, down low, you can see. And then right here, had to do the fender right there, right up here, and right here. Had to handle all that. So I was like, man, you know, it just, like I said, just keeping it honest, man, buying the stuff. Cause I could have went another route, saved some time too with it. But like I said, he said next 30 minutes gonna be in primer. So next time y'all see it, y'all will see it. And I don't know, ain't no telling. Hey, he worked so fast, man. Y'all, next time y'all see it, liable to be painting or something. I don't know. But we got all of this. We just gotta get the locks and the guide for the headlight. But we got everything else. So, oh yeah, another thing, y'all see all them holes right there gone. He got all of that. All them holes gone. When you get in primer, you really ain't gonna be able to tell, but everything gone. But man, he rolling right along. Rolling right along, y'all. Hey y'all, check this out. When I say it came down, man. It rained so hard, y'all, it ain't even funny. Oh boy, ooh-wee. Wait a bit, ease up. Head back to the house. Man, y'all look at that. Boy, that ugly boy. Good God Almighty. I'm heading that direction. I'm trying to make it back to the house, boy. It ugly. It's finna get down. I just came through like a whirlwind, man. But we're gonna make it to the house then. We're gonna check back in. I just show y'all that ugly cloud, boy. It's nasty. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking back in, made it back to the house, man. I'm talking about it's about to get medieval out here, boy. It's about to get ugly. But I made it back, man. That junk came down at J Hall Automotive. And I came through it. But it's ugly, man. I'm talking about wind picking up and all that. About to have a nasty storm. But we got over there. We got the part dropped off. Like I said, I just got to get the door locks, man. I knew I had ordered them. But they only processed the transaction. They processed the transaction for everything except the door locks. I don't know why they did that, but I was like, well, I gotta go to the part store. Well, Jarvis gonna go get them, then get the light adjustment screw. Or I might just slide and go get them tomorrow, man. Save him a trip. I might just go ahead and get them and then drop them off by there, and then he'll have everything he need or whatever. But he rolling. He rolling. He said he plan on painting that thing this week. This week, man. And we were just going over the timeline. Where my phone at? I think it only been, I won't tell y'all the exact amount of days it been. Cause, man, when I say he going so fast, it ain't even funny. He going so fast, it ain't even funny. But I wanna say it been a little bit over 2 weeks. That's it. I want to give y'all the exact day. I'm trying to look now. See when I dropped that video. That's why I like dropping a video, man. Look at these trees. Let me step in. It's lightning. 1 week ago. I dropped that video 1 week ago. I'm trying to see. I want to give y'all the exact date when he got this thing. August the 9th. August the 9th. So It ain't even been 2 weeks. So August the 9th, we dropped it off on the 8th. It was the 8th, that Sunday. So 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. He had the thing 11 days. 11 days. Monday make 2 weeks. He done had the truck 11 days. Look how far he done got it. And probably would have been farther, like I said, if I ain't had to go through that with them parts. Man, ain't no problem. He would have been farther. If I ain't had to go through that with them parts, well, he had to do that extra work, because I didn't know until just today. Then he been even farther. He been farther. Then he couldn't prime it today because said the weather came through it, lightning and all that. You know how it is. You don't want your equipment on when it's lightning and stuff. I done had that. I done had lightning hit one of my computers before, man. It ain't fun. So the truck, realistically, the truck will be primed tomorrow, and man, it'll be painted. He said 2 weeks. He said 2 weeks. It's gonna be 2 weeks. Cause next Monday gonna make 2 weeks exactly. He ain't had the truck but 11 days. That's crazy. So I told y'all, hit him up now. J Hall Automotive. Y'all see the turnaround, but the quality of work, the quality of the paint job gonna show too. Cause you know, if you got a fight, if your body tight and together, it gonna show, man. So like I said, he got that thing smooth. It just look crazy just not seeing the truck, the side of the truck all ripped up. Like, it already looked good to me, but like George was saying, when you see it in primer, it gonna show enough stand out, man. I can't wait. I can't wait, man. It about to be on. It's about to be all the way on. So yeah, that's gonna be it, man. Ain't nothing too much to say. Like I said, it's about to get ugly out here. Look at it. Oh, it's just lightning then. It's about to get ugly. So I'm finna, I don't know where wife at. Well, I know she at. They went to town, went to the store right quick. I'm finna tell them, look, y'all need to get back, make y'all way back home and all that. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, man. Brown coat update. Like I said, we next update. We trying to get every step. So depending on how fast Jarvin move, and depending on my schedule, I hope to show y'all the truck and primer. But if I can't, y'all will see it painted. So probably I get this series 2 more good videos, and y'all probably gonna be seeing that thing painted. So that's it, man. J Hall Automotive, they rolling, man. Y'all stay tuned. BCG.